Hi, welcome back to the channel. My name is Anastasia and I'm your go-to holistic health and fitness expert. In this channel, I share with you my expertise in the area of weight loss, body shape, being hot, attractive, sexy for a long-lasting results and building your personal life in the best shape possible. Here I gather my expertise of the last 16 years of my life that I dedicate for trying the ways of trying a diet. I have been going through the 70 diets. I've been a professional model. I've been a professional swimmer. I've been living around the world with the different eating habits. And I found the way how it's possible to eat well with the natural ingredients, to work out on a regular basis without procrastination, how to build the personal life, long-lasting personal life with the best partner, how to be attractive for this relationship, and again for the name of being healthy woman, being attractive and have your self-esteem and self-respect. So in this video I wanna share with you what you need to know before you book your Botox injection. There is a lot today in the 21st century about quick fix in all areas. Quick fix to have a lunch, quick fix to book a trip, quick fix to, I don't know, to pick it up a date again with the social media apps, etc. And of course there is a quick fix for the beauty. But it's not so easy as you may look at the beginning, especially for someone who already tried a couple of injections of Botox or hyaluronic acid, and you will think that it's pretty helpful, it's not harmful at all, it's not painful, and it gives you these absolutely beautiful results. Well, first of all, there's a lot of propaganda in this area where women who is still, I wouldn't call her woman, she's still a girl in her 20s, and inject Botox because she do not want to have any sort of wrinkles on her face, again for the beautification, for being attractive on the market of dating, because the man again he have a view that women need to be a beautiful, young, youthful, and there is a lot of comments nowadays that with clinic of surgery and Botox and injection, you cannot identify really who is 18-year-old and who is 40 years old. But here is a bit misconception and misguidance. Well, first of all, even a lot of wealthy women, a lot of celebrities who is going for the injections, you might look at them that they look all perfect, even that you need to keep in mind that they go through a lot of Photoshop before posting the pictures, before posting and publishing pictures in the magazine as well. Even for models, I've been in model agencies, in a model industry, I know how does it works. I have the authority to clarify this, that there is a lot of photoshops in there. So when you look that there is all perfect, you have an idea that men look for this perfect body, perfect skin, perfect face without any kind of wrinkles, and what you have as a click, you need to go inject and keep yourself in a useful market of being beautiful woman. But it's not just this solution. This is a quick fix, yes? This is you go from dot A to dot B. There is also a longer way, but this is more healthy, more long-lasting, more nourishing, more healthy even for your mental health, because there is a lot of cases, even for a wealthy woman, when they pay a fat check for the injection in a prime hospitals with the prime doctors, and still the operation or injection does not go well, right? You may be aware about it. Even in all countries we have some top celebrities where you may observe their journey through Instagram, and at some point you would see that they struggle with some difficulty with their injections and their surgeries. The long way as to call, because for example injection, you book your appointment, you get an injection, maybe one day after there is some puffiness, and this is it, you are done, you are all perfect, do not have wrinkles. And by the way, I do not inject, you see my forehead is moving, I have the wrinkles under my eyes, and my face is fully alive. So I'm not injecting any stuff. It's not that I'm telling you that you do not need to inject, but myself sitting here with all kind of Botox. No, I have all kind of stuff, appearance, but for my age, I should identify that even I look more youthful than I looked 5 years ago. Why? Because I look at what I eat. The natural ingredients, your eating habits identify your health, the way you look, your body shape, your face, and face for women, it's your currency to trade in your life, especially in the market of getting married, personal life, etc. Because man, he is a visual creature. He would judge you by the way you look. Even so, you have a beautiful inner side. You have a beautiful, calm, loving soul. But still, at the first place, he would identify you the way you look. And it's not about neglecting the soul and spirituality and your mental health. No, this is also very important. But you need just to specify, moderate, correct what you eat. And it's not only you correct the way you eat just for being beautiful because the man would judge you. No, it's wrong mindset as well. You need to identify that my eating habits need to be aligned with the nourishment, that every bite I have from my plate for breakfast, lunch, dinner, it's for me to nourish myself and to be my best, no matter what is my passport say. Is it 30-year-old, is it 35, is it 37, is it 42? You nourish yourself and it would result naturally in you, how you look, in your glowing skin, healthy skin. Like if you go to any makeup store, there is the biggest area of the makeup store is up to the skincare, foundation, highlight, bronzage, etc., concealers. There's so many names. Just to put as a conditioning that you need to hide under these layers because you have an issues with your skin, because you have wrinkles, because you have an acne, because you have some sun marks, etc. But you can fix this, again, not with such a quick fix as a makeup can give you or Botox injection. You can fix this with you, how you change your eating habits. When you start to eat a lot of raw fruits and vegetables, when you incorporate healthy fats, a lot of omega, extra virgin olive oil, avocado oil, flaxseed oil, flax seeds, nuts, cashew, walnuts, when you incorporate a lot of water in your life, clean water, no sparkling water even, no juicing, no coffee, no tea, no lemonade, real water to hydrate yourself. And hydration for your skin is so important. Again, it benefits you. It benefits your look, it benefits your health, it benefits your self-esteem, self-worth, how you relate to yourself. Again, the best thing to identify how you look at yourself and how you relate to yourself, hence in a magnetic way, how you relate to yourself, the other people relate to you as well. When you look at yourself in the mirror, what kind of thoughts you have? And here, answer to yourself honestly. When you look at the mirror, what kind of thoughts you have? Do you judge yourself for the wrinkles, or do you appreciate yourself? Do you love yourself, or you just cannot wait when you to the stage when you open your makeup bag and apply makeup, or until your appointment to inject the Botox so these wrinkles are disappearing? But here's the truth, that the way you have settled, scheduled, aligned your lifestyle, particularly your eating habits, identify how you look. How is your digestion? How is your gut health? How is your skin health? How is your eyeballs color? How is your smell from your mouth? And you do not need so many products to fix. You need to fix and focus on what you eat. Cut off the junk food, cut off the alcohol, cut off smoking, cut off shisha. There is also popular very much shisha smoking. Cut off artificial ingredients in your food, processed food, too much sugar, too much salt, and you would see these beautiful results that would promote the benefits for you as a woman, how you relate to yourself and your personal life. Because men who would look at you when he see how you take care of yourself, it's not only about relationships that you have, but also for you to develop a long-lasting relationship, to have a marriage together, to have a family together, to have a kids together. He would look at you not only for your looks, the looks you can get from anything, from outfit, makeup, injections and everything, also like your activity, your mindset, but how you treat yourself, your health. That means, and would result, you would treat him as your partner and your kids, because it's also very important for him, because it would be your mutual kids, and how you would take care, your eating habits, it would be having the same for the kids, how you treat your skin, how you treat your nails, how you treat your issues, how you resolve your issues, because very easy to go to the clinic and inject BOTOX. It's very easy to go to the hospital and get a prescription, but it's a bit difficult to figure out and navigate your way with the changing your diet, with going to the diet, because if you have a lot of foodie items, you fancy about fast food, you fancy about fried stuff, and then particularly when you need to switch to a healthy diet, it would be very drastically for you and it would be in a stress. But how do you handle this? And this is very important mindset to develop when you think about long term, about satisfactory in a long term, on your health, on your beauty, on your personal life, on your activity, on your hormonal health, on you and your mental health, because all down as a foundation, your mental health, and there is also a hot topic today in our society, it reflects how you eat, what is your lifestyle, what is your focus in your life. It's also reflect in your mental health. So such a foundational thing as what you eat identifies who you are, for your personal life, for your relationship with you, for relationship with others. So if you are still wanna stay at the point when you think that I live once and I wanna indulge myself, and if there is anything that dissatisfies me with the wrinkles or with the pimples or anything, I'll just go to my clinic, book an appointment and fix it. Just remember about downsides, that does not fix in a long term. You need still go every other month to inject, and here or there is wrong injection also happens a lot of the time, where your face would reshape in a different way. Okay, maybe now you're 30, but think about 50s, how you would look like. You would start to look like a totally different person. But when you focus on the inner solutions there, what you eat and how you treat your lifestyle, yourself, it would result in you becoming better and better and better with the age, with the time, with the season, and it would promote the beautiful relationship with your partner, with your husband, with your lover, because you would be in a good state of your mental health, in a good physical shape, in an attractive shape. So there is a lot of troubles would get out your way as a couple. So if you struggle and if you do not know where to start, how to start, I have a free consultation call about the changes in you and transformation for the natural eating habits, for the working out, for the mental health. How does it work? And to know more about it, you need to send me a message down here. I have all my social media, choose which one you prefer, and we can book with you free consultation call, meet over Zoom and discuss where you are right now, what is your focus, what is your struggle, and I will come up with a tailor-made, because each of us are unique and special and have different position in life. I would come up with my tailor-made one-on-one program that I will guide you throughout the process and make you the best version of yourself in a physical appearance, in your mental state, and in your attractiveness, for having the best life in a relationship with yourself, in a relationship with your partner, with your family, with your kids, and have a long-lasting results. This is it for this video. Do not forget to put like, share with someone who needs to know, comment below what you think about this topic, and I will see you in the next video.